Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, June 12th, 2025. It is currently going on 11 o'clock now, so I'm starting a little late. I had a really icky stomach this morning. I had such bad stomach pains that it woke me up from a dead sleep. And then I have allergies on top of it, so I'm pretty miserable today. I do gotta cut some grass again because it grows so damn fast. And today's the last day to do it because it's supposed to pour rain all day tomorrow. We're supposed to get flooding and everything, so I'm just sitting out on the patio now and trying to enjoy the sunshine, but who knows? I'm making steak, beef tips over mashed potatoes and gravy with rice today for dinner. So that'll be nice. And it's just gonna be a relaxing evening. I ain't doing much at all, so. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna eat some breakfast now, and then I'm gonna have some cream of wheat and my coffee. So I will see y'all later. Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I am not feeling too good today. I don't know why, I'm just super tired. I just don't feel good. I just want to go lay in my bed and sleep. So I don't know what's going on. I just don't feel good. Ugh. So I don't know how much of a vlog you guys are gonna get today. I know I gotta start, I have to make that dinner. And I don't want to. But it'll be fine. I think I just need to rest. I don't ever just rest. And I think that's what I gotta do today. So I'm gonna make it a thing to take a nap. I had a rough night last night anyways. I almost picked up the camera, but then I didn't feel like it. So it's a chillier day today. It's like 59 degrees, 60, something like that. So it's a chillier day. I hate feeling like this. I have a lot of pressure right here, so I know exactly what it is. Sinus pressure. My sinuses are bothering me. And it just makes you feel so tired and blah and ugh. But we finally got blue sky. I mean, it's kind of hazy now, but I think it was blue. I'm only going a little ways back. When you don't feel good, you don't really want to do much. But at least now I went for a walk, so. I did something. I went for a walk, so. Yeah, I'm really off today. I don't know. My sinuses are getting worse. And I have my appointment next Friday. I was hoping it would have been this Friday, but that's okay. I had a rough day yesterday as well. I was super anxious while at therapy. I just want to go and lay down. And you know what? I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't care. I am gonna be a lazy, useless oaf today, and that's fine with me. I'm always on the run, so if I could just take a day to chill, That's what I'm gonna do. Then I'll start dinner and maybe have a propane fire on the deck tonight. We'll see. And then head to bed and do it all over again tomorrow. So with that being said, I'll let you guys go and I will see y'all later. Good evening, or good morning now, I guess, everyone. It is going on 1 a.m. Sorry about the vlog yesterday. I didn't get much in. I wasn't feeling good. I'm still not feeling good. I'm really, really anxious for some reason. And I can't sleep and I'm miserable and I'm gonna attempt to go to sleep. So welcome to day 43. So right now, I'm just very anxious, I think, because I'm just not feeling good. I'm watching one of my very favorite comfort movies, Grown Ups, with Adam Sandler and the gang in there. I really like this movie. It's like one of my comfort movies that I enjoy watching. So I'm gonna watch that and hopefully can fall asleep. I'm so tired. I have such a headache and I'm just miserable. I took some of my Flonase. So I'm hoping that does something, but I doubt it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to go to bed now and I will see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, June 13th, Friday the 13th, 2025. It's currently going on 10 a.m. I had a really bad night last night. I did not sleep an ounce. I tossed, turned, I couldn't sleep. I was just miserable all night long. Hot, cold, turned the fan on, turned it off, and it was just a miserable night, so I'm super tired today. It is a super cold day today. Well, not cold, it's 50 degrees, but that's cold to me. I'm freezing right now. But it's supposed to rain this afternoon. Excuse me. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. So it's just going to be a lazy day, I guess. I get as much done as I can this morning, and at least the grass is cut. So I'm going to try to get done what I can this morning, and then probably just going to veg for the night. I'm just so tired. These allergies and sinuses are really kicking my butt. Yeah, I was just having a bad night. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't get comfortable. I mean, there'll be a clip, I think, of that in there. I can't remember. I think I picked up the camera. Kind of ended yesterday's vlog and then started this morning's, but yesterday was a day it didn't do much. Didn't do much of anything. Just kind of... What did I do yesterday? Went for a walk. This damn mosquito. I went for a... What did I do? I sat on the porch. I planted another pepper and a tomato and a jalapeno again in the garden. And then I went for a walk, Started feeling really shitty. Went and laid down for a little bit. Got up, cut the grass again, just to kind of finish it off because it grows so fast in the front. And then I cooked dinner. I made beef tips over mashed potatoes and gravy and with rice. So that'll probably be lunch today. Then tonight for dinner, I'm just making a frozen pizza. But then anyways, after that, the neighbors wanted me to go and take pictures of their house because their roof is finished. They're out of town for the night. Zulu should be back today. So I'm house sitting for them. But yeah, we and then I showered and I vegged in bed for the rest of the evening and worked on some wedding stuff. I watched a movie, watched some YouTube, just kind of chilled. So that was nice. But yeah. I'm gonna try to go for a walk this morning and see what happens. But I could tell you now it's probably gonna be a short-lived walk. Oh my Lord. I'm just so tired. So tonight's dinner, like I said, is gonna be an easy frozen pizza with some garlic bread. I don't feel like cooking. I'm just really tired. But yeah. It's gonna be a busy weekend so far, but I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. I wish it wasn't gonna rain, but it always does. I know my friend Jolie and her her boyfriend are coming up, but I don't have it's supposed to rain, so we can't actually get together, and that's okay. I'm not gonna be a life of a party today. I'm super tired. So today's gonna be a day of just chilling. The pool is getting done, so it should almost be full. I haven't really paid attention to it. The guys, I mean, it's been getting filled now since yesterday morning. It should be full now today. But yeah. I took the cover off the rain barrel because I was expecting it to start raining this morning, and it didn't even rain this morning. They were saying it was supposed to rain by 10 o'clock this morning. Well, I didn't think I'd be up, so I prepared and I took the cover off the rain barrel. Well, now it's done at least. The rain should fill it right up. They say we're supposed to get soaking heavy rain, so we'll see. And then the big weather headline is now next week we're supposed to get severe weather, 3 days of it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I watched the news last night and they had it highlighted in red as severe weather, so it should be an interesting week next week. Oh God. They're talking about those straight line wind storms and tornadoes, hail, wind, you name it. Everything that comes with awful weather. Next week's band concert's at the high school, so it'll be inside, luckily. Which I don't know why, that's kind of weird, but that's what they're doing, so. At the auditorium, so I'll probably take a hike there and watch it. Yeah, other than that, It's just gonna be a chill day today. It's so cold I can't open windows. I have the bathroom window open a crack, and I have my bedroom window above my bed open, just a small crack. Just to get some fresh air in the house. I don't like it being stuffy. And then also before I went to bed last night, my allergies started, so that was sucked. All of a sudden they got really, really bad. Like really bad. So I don't know what that was about. So I took my Flonase and it didn't do much. Then I came out here, shut the lights off, and oh god. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee, turn on some television out here, and just kind of see what the day brings, I suppose. I hate dark, dreary days. I don't know where we're going for dinner tomorrow, if we're even going. I have no idea. Everything's just up in the air, and I hate that. I like having a plan set in stone. Because, like I said, I'm one that likes to prepare. But that's okay. I guess I'll just take it for a day and see what happens. So I'm going to let you guys go now. It's going on 10 minutes of me yapping. So I will take you along today. I'll try to do a better job. Like I said, today ain't going to be much of a vlog day. I mean, there ain't much happening today to vlog, but you never know. I'll throw some clips in here and see what I can get. So yeah, I will catch y'all later. Hi y'all, welcome back. So it's going on 2 o'clock right now. I feel just horrible. I've been feeling shitty since I woke up this morning, like I had mentioned earlier. I just don't feel good. Ugh. I think I'm just anxious. And there's nothing I can do that's helping me, which is frustrating. And I got a call from the doctor's office today. My physical was supposed to be next Friday, the 20th of June. Well, my doctor went on maternity leave. Oh, look, guys, look. You guys didn't have to leave. You just never know what you're gonna see on a walk, I tell ya. Oh, darling. Huh. That little shit. It's kind of raining today, it's just kind of dripping here and there. But I wanted to get for a walk because, yeah, I ain't gonna be very far. I just don't feel good today. It's so terrible. I have the anxiety dizziness, the anxiety feeling in my body, the anxiety feeling in my head, and I just feel anxious. And then me and my dad worked on the pool today. It's filling up now. There's not much you can do with it until it fills up. So yeah. I just feel blah. I had lunch. Hopefully that. I didn't eat anything this morning. I said I was going to fix myself some eggs. I never did. Yeah, I'm just not feeling good today. I don't know. I usually go up to here, but oh. So yeah, this is currently what's happening. I didn't walk very far. Going on to now. I thought it was after 2, but no. Just not feeling good. I wish this anxiety would just quit. And my ear is starting to hurt. Because I lay on my ear. And the ear I lay on at night is hurting. So all the fluid and stuff probably built up in there and it's causing an infection. Because that's what happens to me every time. Here's the deer again. Just peeping. So cute. At least I got the baby. Baby has really big ears. Oh God. Yeah. It's a dark, dreary day today. And I think the same is tomorrow. It's Father's Day weekend and my mom's birthday. So what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna what do you call it? Get Little Caesars pizza and just do something here at home. And I'm okay with that. I am, so I'll get back with you in a little while. Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So it is going on 9:30 now. It's been a busy afternoon. We've been getting some things remodeled around here and fixed. And some new additions. Remember I was talking about the porch that I wanted on my shed? Well, now we have a door stoop. I'll show you. It's a nice little platform deck. Just enough to, enough to step on and off. Then I could put some stuff on it, like flowers or plants or something like that. But it desperately needed to be done because the other step was a hazard. So that's all taken care of. And then back here, you can see the section that had to get fixed. There was no support underneath it. So the boards were just bouncing. And it was a matter of time before they were going to snap. So, yeah. So things are getting done around here. The pool is almost full. Then tomorrow that'll get cleaned and washed and ready to go. And then, yeah. The kids are coming tomorrow. I'm hosting everyone here for Father's Day and my mom's birthday. So we're going to get together for that. I think we're just going to get Little Caesars pizza and then a cake, or we'll do burgers on the grill. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I wouldn't mind burgers on the grill either, to be totally honest with you. I'm kind of sick of pizza. So maybe we'll do burgers on the grill. Aaron can cook them. He's good at doing that. But yeah, so I don't know. We are gonna do that then tomorrow. And then probably end the night with a fire with everyone, and then yeah. So it'll be a nice Saturday. It was nice getting this stuff that needed to be done around here done. It was pretty bad. The deck really needed, the deck needed to be fixed. It was in the making for a while now, but Yeah, so things are looking nice. I'm gonna probably get ready for bed here soon. I'm really tired. Very tired. I gotta turn on the air purifier. Just to kind of clean the air out in this shed. But yeah. So that's kind of what's going on now. This is supposed to go. This one's not made for the floor. But yeah, so it'll be an interesting day tomorrow. But tonight I'm exhausted. But I'm glad that work got done. It needed to be done. So now it's gonna be a relaxing night. I know we have a lot of wedding stuff to discuss tomorrow with the kids. Their wedding is almost a month away. The 23rd of this month will be 2 months. The 23rd of July will be a month. And the 23rd of August is the day, and I'm nervous because I'm the MC for the night. So, but I think once everything gets figured out, I can just relax. You know, but I know my friend Jolie's supposed to come home, but I haven't heard a word from her. Not a word, not a peep. I asked if her and her boyfriend could come and stop by to see little old me, but I don't think they will. Nobody likes to come see me, so that's okay. I understand. Nothing new for me. It's just a new day. I would hope they'd come see me, but I understand that they were busy and they don't have time for me, so. Plus, it's going to be a hectic weekend for me. I have so much stuff going on. Everything's just happening all at once, and it's ridiculous. But I'll try to stretch myself out in 1,000 different places, but I can't guarantee it's going to happen. I should try to get to the party tomorrow, just to show my face, you know. I might just send a card to Jake for his graduation. If I can't make it there, I have to go get cards tomorrow anyways. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it a night. I'll insert a little video of my porch after this. And I think I'm going to call it a night. So I will see y'all tomorrow on day 44. So have a good night. See ya tomorrow.